In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color on scroll using Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to add a dynamic touch to your website by having the text change color as you scroll, then you're in the right place. I'm excited to guide you through this process step by step. So let's dive in and bring your website to life with this engaging feature. First things first, we're going to head over to Wix Studio, which is a robust platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises that are keen on building sophisticated websites. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, you'll want to look for the option to log in. Click on Login, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have a Wix account yet, you'll need to create one, but for those who already do, let's continue on. After clicking login, you'll see several login options. Here, I'm going to log in using Google for a quicker, hassle-free experience. So go ahead and click on continue with Google, and this will prompt you to sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix Studio editor where all the magic happens. Now that we're inside the Wix Studio editor, let's focus on changing the color of our text. First, select the specific text that you want to adjust. You'll notice that the text options become available to you once it's selected. Now click on the current color within these options. A palette should appear, allowing you to choose the new color that you desire for your text when the scrolling action takes effect. This part is all about enhancing the visual style that matches your brand or personal aesthetic. Next, let's animate it so that the color changes when scrolling. Look for the animation icon. It usually resembles a little motion graphic symbol. Click on it to access the animation settings. In the animation menu, locate and select scroll as the trigger for your animation. This means the color change will activate specifically when someone scrolls down your web page. After setting up the scroll trigger, it's time to add this animation. Simply click on add to incorporate it into your design. You'll then get to choose which animation effect you want. Explore these creative options and select the one that best captures the feel you're going for. Finally, let's see the changes in action. Go ahead and click the preview icon to test it out. This will show you how everything will look in a live environment, allowing you to verify that your settings are just right. And that's it. You've successfully set up your text to change color on scroll in Wix Studio. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your site's aesthetics with ease. Be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips to enhance your web designing skills.